Alright, what's up everybody? Today is Sunday. Sunday fun day. Today we're gonna do Kkoma Kimbap for our Dosirak.
What's Kkoma Kimbap?
Kkoma means little kid. So we're making little kid kimbaps. Kkoma Kimbap is not for just little kids. I love Kkoma. Oh,
I love Kkoma Kimbap too.
I love it's usually using a less ingredients, so it's a lot faster. So let's do a fast Dosirak today.
It's it's all about the simplicity this time.
Yeah, it's all about the simplicity. Okay? Y'all ready for some simplicity? Did they put me on a package? Who's this?
Don't you dare! Let's start off with seaweed seed.
How much would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck could chuck wood?
How much was a So for kimbap kim, it's unsalted and there's no oil. 4 equal pieces. So I'm just gonna go this way and that way. Here it is. Set them aside. So for kimbap, you can use any vegetable of your choice. We're gonna use these 4 today. Take one of your sheets, cut it to the length here. Cut it in half. Just cut them into thin strips. Okay, done.
Get it. This one's so thick. Someone's gonna lose a tooth. You guys can do it this way. I think a little bit better is to just make small cuts at an angle like this, and then julienne them. See, it is much faster.
Repeat for the cucumber. Cut it in half again. You see these seeds? Out. Just cut into thin strips. Put them in a bowl. Alright, just put 4 or 5 shakes of salt. Kind of mix them. Let them sit here for 5 to 10 minutes. And then they will start to release water. So we have 단무지. So if you don't have this, it's okay. We can add other ingredients like the spinach or some minced beef or ham. I think we can just cut it in half. Cut it in half again. This one we don't need any further prep. This one is ready. And today I just feel like having some crunch. So gonna go in with the alfalfa sprout. Okay, frying pan on, medium heat, little bit of oil. Once it's hot, literally 30 seconds. That's all we need. Just a quick fry. We don't want them to turn mushy. Get the cucumbers now. We're gonna give them a quick squeeze and wash it off. Let the water drip off. For our kimbap rice, we're gonna use 2 cups of rice. In. So half a teaspoon of sesame oil. Half a tablespoon of sesame seeds. Few shakes of salt. I'll say 4 or 5 shakes. Give it a thorough mix. Take a piece of the seaweed sheet, 80% of the way. So I'm gonna add them up to here. Let's spread them out and see. Oh, so cute. And just lay them flat out very evenly. I'm just gonna go in with my hand because it's easier. Carrots down, cucumber in, our 단무지 radish in, and a little bit of our alfalfa sprout. Get in there, little cuties. Hold it tight with all your fingers and then roll all the way in. Dip your finger in the water and run it across the top. Done. Take a look at these cuties. It's like little 2 eyeballs. Daniel, do a close-up, please. You're going too fast. Stop!
Oh, whoops. Go back. Yes. That's the shot.
Baby, don't you.
This is yeonggeoja. So it's kind of like light wasabi. You'll find them in Korean marts. Okay, 1 tablespoon of yeonggeoja in, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, half tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar in, and 1 tablespoon of water in. Let's taste them out. Dip it in the sauce.
Wow.
I now know why they call it the mayak sauce.
Wow.
It's addictive.
Wow, that's really good. I'm gonna put the sauce into... Will it leak? Let's try. Da 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 da. Oh, it does leak. Ah, because it has the holes here.
Oh, okay.
We're gonna have to put it into this one. You're gonna be the only person in the world who has a separate container for sauce.
Baby, don't you.
Neighbors, mine is gonna be a very simple one. We're gonna do a spam Kkoma Kimbap. And if you don't like spam, don't say ew. just choose the alternative. Go out and get some good ham. So we're
Ham
going
is good.
open this up. How you get this out of here?
칼로 이렇게 하는 거야. 알아 이거?
Yeah, but it's not coming out.
이거 이렇게 하면 나와.
Maybe it's the other side. You gotta poke a hole so oxygen goes in.
No. 아닌가?
Hole in.
아니야, that's very dangerous.
After much debate, somewhat semi-thin cut. I think we'll just need 2 cuts. That's too long. And next we have Cheongyang chili peppers. I'm going to use 3. Or you can use 1 jalapeno. Take off the ends. We're going to cut this in half. And then we're going to make sure to take out the seeds. Alright, because it's too hot if we have them in there. All we want to do is just chop this up into small pieces.
Oh, it already tastes spicy. It smells spicy.
Let's get this on a medium-high heat. Oh my gosh, I touched my nose after touching the pepper. My nose is on fire right now.
Are we gonna survive this cooking session?
I don't think so. And we're gonna put in the chili peppers.
Oh wait, let me turn on the AC before.
This way it dies a little bit. Oh man. You open up the window so the wind is coming in. To me. Close the window, please. Alright guys, that looks good to me. You think I'm joking, but look at this face.
The big nose is getting bigger.
Alright guys, and then we're gonna make a delicious sauce. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Get it all in there. Half tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of gochujang. And then we'll mix this up. And trust me, this sauce tastes amazing. Same thing guys, put a little bit of rice. And like Katie says, we want to flatten out and make it even. 1 layer of crispy Spam in the middle. Oh yeah. Get a little bit of the sauce over the top. Yep. A few of our chili peppers. That looks amazing, huh? Of course, wrap it up. And then the last part, dip your finger in water, wipe it up, and wipe it down. And then we just cut this into thirds. It looks like this. Beauty and simplicity, alright?
It's better than the school food one. I
Yeah?
approve you.
Yeah, this one tastes good. A few sprinkles of sesame seeds. Very nice. And this is our Dosirak for this week. You don't like the Spam chili pepper one that almost took off my nose? Or you like Katie's classic? Black it up. Very nice.
Let's go. Oh wait, where is the mayak sauce?
Oh, are you sure?
It's too tight.
Try closing
Look, it won't fit. Oh my gosh, so where is this mysterious blanket coming from?
This is harmony. This is grandma style, baby. Oh, you can go all the way down to sugar like this. No problem. True Korean style. Adios. Adios.